Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Here in this video we're gonna take a look at how to remove suggested posts on Instagram. So if you're a user of Instagram, you could regularly see these posts which says suggested posts on the top. These are the profiles that don't follow you but are being suggested to you because you like similar kind of content. Now there is no option to turn off this setting. You will always see these kind of posts, but what you can do is you can tap on the three dots here of the suggested post and you can tap on not interested. Now this way that particular post will be removed. Post will be removed from your feed on Instagram. Now the other thing you can also do is if you tap on this Instagram on the top, here you can choose following. This way it will only show you the post from the people that you follow, and through this section you will not be able to see any kind of suggested posts like you would normally see on the feed of your Instagram. So that was the easy process on how to remove suggested posts on Instagram. Do give this video a thumbs up if you guys found this video helpful, and while you're at it, also subscribe to our channel. And that's gonna be all for today's video, and I'll be back soon with more.